Let's look at this. It says the 12th term of an AP is minus 41. That is arithmetic progression. If the first term is 3, find the 20th term. Because it's an AP, you put the formula for AP. That is okay. Now we know the first term to be 3. We are told that what? The 12th term is equals to minus 41. So what we are going to do with this one now is to use it to find the common difference. Okay, we have the information of what? Of the 12th term. And the value is minus 41. With this, we can get D. So let's solve for D. That is to say 3 plus 11D equals to minus 41. 11D equals to minus 41. We move it to this side. Minus 3 equal to minus 44. Okay? It means, therefore, D is equals to minus 44 all over 11, which is minus 4. So the common difference now is minus 4. So with this information, we can find the 20th term. The 20th term. That is to say, the 20th term is equals to the first term, which is 3, plus n is the what? 20th. Minus 1, the common difference is minus 4. So if we work this out now, we're going to have the 20th term. That is 19 multiplied by minus 4. If you multiply this, you're going to have 76. If you work this out now, you're going to have minus 73. So this is the 20th term. Okay? Hope you understand this. Thank you for viewing.